One thing you'll find about me is that I try to have a few side hustles going at any point. So my idea I had for you guys that maybe you could talk about whether you thought it was a good idea or not is a new brand of tea. So Mr. Vanderhoof's Special Blend. Now I've got my corporate logo all ready to go, but my question is, how is it? So you're going to have to do a little bit of observation for me. So this is an observation lab. We're going to brew Mr. Vanderhoof's Special Blend. So here's the plan. You're going to each get a tea bag, and that tea bag needs to sit in a beaker. That beaker needs to be arranged according to the diagram that you will see on Google Classroom. And the big thing you need to remember about it is safety. Now, the first most important rule is do not drink the tea, because the tea is corrosive. The tea is also toxic, and it's toxic to fish. So don't put the tea down the drain. We'll have to treat it at the end to make it safe to put down the drain. Now, when you are observing in lab, the beaker is going to be down on the table. So you're going to need to get down to the level of the beaker so that you can observe it from the side. Also, you're not going to want to stir it or shake it because that will ruin the thing we're trying to observe. And you are going to be setting up a paper for your observations. That looks a little bit like this. This is your piece of paper. You're going to have the right hand third or so reserved for later. I'll tell you what you're going to be using that for later, but you're going to be writing down observations, maybe making some drawings as you're going through, and then later you'll be commenting on those drawings and making a few things that you don't know how to do yet on that right hand third. So make sure you write down observations on the left 2/3 of your paper and save that right hand third for after our lab. Thanks.